Are you in Portland, Oregon and seeking the best fence companies around? Look no further. Welcome to this virtual tour of the top 5 fence companies in the City of Roses. This guide is your ticket to finding the perfect company to meet your fencing needs, whether you're looking for sturdy security, aesthetic appeal, or both. We'll explore each company's unique offerings and what sets them apart from the rest. So, buckle up for this exciting journey. Stay tuned as we kick off with our number 5 pick. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have Rick's Custom Fencing and Decking. This company has been a cornerstone of the Portland fencing scene for years, known for its exceptional quality and service. Whether you're after a classic wooden fence or a sleek modern deck, Rick's has got you covered. Their commitment to customer satisfaction is second to none. They're not just building fences and decks, they're building relationships. A trusted name in the industry, Rick's Custom Fencing and Decking sets the bar high. At number 4, we introduce you to Pacific Fence and Wire Company. This company is renowned for its meticulous attention to detail that is evident in every project they undertake. Their superior craftsmanship is a testimony to their years of experience in the industry. They offer a wide variety of fencing options, catering to diverse aesthetic and functional needs. Whether you're looking for a classic picket fence or a modern metal design, they've got you covered. For a fence that stands the test of time, Pacific Fence and Wire Company is a solid choice. Cracking the top 3, we have Superior Fence and Construction. This company stands out with its unwavering commitment to quality, ensuring every project is completed with the utmost attention to detail. Professional service is at the heart of their operations, providing a seamless experience from consultation to completion. And let's not forget, they offer competitive pricing, making top-tier fencing accessible for all. Their craftsmanship is truly superior, setting new benchmarks in the industry. Superior Fence and Construction lives up to their name in every project. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is Cascade Fence and Deck. This company sets the bar high with their innovative designs, crafting unique spaces that blend seamlessly with your home's aesthetic. Using only high-quality materials, they ensure durability and long-lasting satisfaction. But what truly sets them apart is their exceptional customer service. From the initial consultation to the final installation, they're committed to making your vision come to life. Cascade Fence and Deck goes above and beyond to deliver exceptional results. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 fence company in Portland, Oregon is Fix-A-Fence LLC. This company isn't just a cut above, they're the whole tree. With decades of experience under their belt, Fix-A-Fence LLC has honed the art of fence building to perfection. Their workmanship, top-notch. Every fence is a testament to their skill and dedication. But what truly sets Fix-A-Fence LLC apart is their unwavering commitment to client satisfaction. They don't just build fences, they build relationships. They listen, they understand, and then they deliver, ensuring that every client gets exactly what they need. And when it comes to standing behind their work, they're second to none, with a robust after-service support that's as reliable as the fences they build. For the best in the business, you can't go wrong with Fix-A-Fence LLC. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 fence companies in Portland, Oregon. Thanks for watching.